We are here outside Zurich in Switzerland, where we produce Bio-Strath food supplements, liquid, tablets and drops. Hello Canada, my name is David Pestalozzi, the son of the founder of Bio-Strath. My father Fred started the business in 1961. We are here outside Zurich in Switzerland, where we produce Bio-Strath food supplements, liquid, tablets and drops. You in Canada have 3 alternative formulas with the same effect. It depends on your taste. All products are suitable for vegetarians. Also, gluten intolerant people find a solution with tablets and drops. When it comes to diabetics, for instance, you go also for tablets and the drops. It's a very special, unique process of combining herbal yeast or yeast with herbs together. It takes about 2 months to be produced, to finish and offer the products as they are in Canada on the market. We especially recommend Bio-Strath to give to children when they have concentration problems, when they need more nutrients, more well-balanced life, when they are unnourished or babies have a problem all the time with a flu infection. 1 year and above, you are allowed to give Bio-Strath already to your kids. Adhd and Adhd is also an area where we have done some scientific studies to improve the concentration and the quality of life of the kids. Other areas are women, pregnancy, lactation period, people at work, people who need effort, who need after convalescence periods, for instance surgery as a pick-me-up formula. Those who just need additional energy to improve their quality of life. Fatigue and stress is our main claims in Canada, where you can use Bio-Strath especially to have more energy, less fatigue problems, and to be better prepared during stress periods. You can take Bio-Strath over a long period of time, not just 1 or 2 days. You need to take it and on a daily basis over 2-3 months. And even if your body asking for continuing to use Bio-Strath, you are allowed to take it the whole year. No side effects, no winter contraindication with doctor medicine, and it's 100% natural, suitable for everybody and produced in Switzerland. Thank you.